Hello, do you hear me, Saima?
Yes, I can hear you.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Saima Jaman and I'm from Dhaka.
Yeah.
And recently I completed my graduation. So, what about you?
Yeah, I am Iqbal bin Hafiz. You can call me Ornov. I am third year student at Daffodil International University. I am doing software engineering. I'm also from Dhaka, but I born in Kumilla. So basically, I am from Kumilla, but now staying in Dhaka. I'm from my college time, and that's all about me.
Okay.
So can we go for practice?
Yes. Obviously.
So ask me any question, or I am going to ask you.
Okay. I would like to ask you that do you have a Facebook account?
Yeah, I have a Facebook account. We are the Gen Z generation. Everyone's have the Facebook account. Even though if your age is 2 years old or 3 years old, you have a Facebook account. So we all have Facebook accounts. I am not a coach potato person. I am not using Facebook every time. I do my classes, I go to lab and everything I manage, and I also have interview in Sunday for a job. And so you can call me as cool as cucumber person. Really calm person, and I think that's all enough for this question. So can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
Do you have any celebrities on Facebook?
Not actually. I do not have any celebrity on my Facebook friend. Um, I have a few friends on Facebook. Most of them are my family members and close friends. Um, and I do not spend more time on Facebook. I love to using time to do some productive work like reading or doing something creative work actually. That's
Gafar,
why.
I'll scroll. That's great. Can you add something, or we can go for another question?
Yes, next one.
So ask me in next one.
Did you cry yesterday?
I didn't cry much, but I cry in this week for my mother, who give me like lessons like you do nothing, you always stay home, do nothing and everything stuff. You do not earn money, anything, and that's why I cry so much. And I took this as a lesson and go for taking job from another from a website, and I took an appointment from an AI company like um, it's called Lice Labs, and I have an appointment. I already mentioned that on Sunday. I think it's enough for this question. So can I ask a question?
Yes. Yes, please.
Why did you first give a speech? Well, sorry, when did you first give a speech?
Um, it's about my first presentation in my university. Uh, uh, this day was so much exciting for me because and also very difficult because I'm not so much sociable person. Uh, but to be honest, I feel very proud when I finished my presentation towards my teachers and my classmates. Uh, I think that's a memorable day for me.
That's great. Ask me any question.
Okay. When did you first have a part-time job?
I didn't get any job, but I want to get a job. I basically do freelancing in my university life, in my university 3 years, 3 years. So you can call me it's a part-time job or something else. I'm not a very friendly person, but I'm a sociable person and has outgoing personalities. But I'm not a very friendly person. So it's a major problem if you have not you if you have a problem in your communication skills. You do not get any job or you do not get any connection. For if you manage connect to lots of peoples, you get opportunities, and that's why I am building myself, and I am trying to be a social person or a friendly person, and I try to build my communication skills, and that's all. Can I ask you a question?
Okay. Yes.
Have you ever fallen down the stairs?
Um, yeah, sometimes I fallen down to the streets because um, uh, I'm not much careful about me. So when I am busy for my class or work or somewhere I have to go in uh, the in time or in point, then several time I face this kind of situation.
So you're telling that you are not a balancing person. Ask me any question.
Yeah. Uh, what did you do yesterday?
I didn't. So I will continue from first. I do many things on yesterday. As I am a software engineering student, development student, so I have to practice programming, like AI automation stuff. So I did lots of my whole day. I took knowledge from AI automations and everything, and that's all. So I
Well,
can I ask a question? Do
yes, sure.
do you go out in the evening every day?
Um, Not actually, but I go to outside once or twice in a week. Sometimes I go out with my friends, or sometimes I go with my brothers. Um, uh, Today I also go outside, and the place I go, it's called tea shop, and me and my friends uh, experience the beautiful tea, and we all also eat some samucha, singara, uh, and we talk about different topics, and it makes my day relax, and I feel so much stress free.
Yeah, ask me any question. You have.
Have you ever eaten frog legs?
You. It looks different, so it's not. I think it's not a food or something else you eat. I basically eat chicken chest for my gym stuff. I used to go to gym. That's why I have to eat chicken chest, eggs, and lots of things. So I do not consider it's food, like frog legs. So that's all. So I want to ask you a
But
question.
in our country, many people like to eat frog, you know.
I never heard this kind of things that it's a food or something else. So okay,
Well,
can I question? Ask you a question?
yes, yes.
It's not from the screenshot. I can I ask a real life question or something else? What are your purpose to attend here?
Well, yeah, I have a plan that I want to go to abroad for my higher study. So I am preparing myself for IELTS exam. That's why I attend this class.
How many months you're preparing for IELTS?
Um, 1.5 month.
1.5 months. It's crazy. I only used 1 week, and so I saw Imran Khan's videos, and he are practicing people's online, and I joined in 23rd or 25th July, and this is my IELTS journey, or something you call spoken English journey. I have planned for IELTS exam, but not now. I want to be a fluent person. Then I will go for IELTS. I have 1 year in my hand. I will I will prepare for scholarship or something else. Other
Mhm.
and then I will go to IELTS. I will sit for IELTS.
That's great.
Yeah. So, can I ask a personal question like you? Which university you study?
Oh, I'm from Definite International University.
Oh, which department?
Nutrition and food engineering.
You are my senior. Which batch? Two, three, or
212.
212? I am 232 batch. I'm in 232 batch. I'm software department student. Uh,
Acha.
it's a great. Sorry, it's
The
a pleasure.
coincidence.
It's a pleasure for me to have a senior Apu. Okay, so how many day you will take to sit for us or
I'm not
month?
sure. Maybe 1 or 2 months.
1 or 2 months. Okay, so I will back to the screenshot again.
Yes.
Okay, always. Will you study tomorrow?
Yes, definitely. I will study tomorrow. I have a lot of tasks to do. Where I have to do a mock test and also speaking practice. Uh, so I will definitely study tomorrow.
Okay, ask me any question you have.
Uh, can you please tell me about your daily routine?
My daily routine is in front of me. If I describe it, uh, 10 to 5 a.m. I'm sleeping. Yeah, it's normal. It's not. I am maintaining it. It's just my daily routine. And 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. I took this time for namaz and exercise, and then 6 to 7 I read and speak English speaking practice, and 7 to 10 a.m. I took this time for AI and automation, those type, and 11 to 12 p.m. Sorry, 11 to 12 p.m. is for watching movies. So I'm basically shadowing to saw movies and shadowing them, and 12 to 1 it's again pray time. So it's I can end here. We have 47 seconds left. If you have any advice as I'm your junior, you can give it to me.
In this platform, we are friends. We are classmates.
So what do you think? Am I a fluent person, or I have to increase my speaking?
You are definitely fluent, good listener and good speaker.
Thank.
I tell.
It's a pleasure to hear from a senior university senior. Thank you, Apu. Maybe
Okay,
we'll again
assalamualaikum.
be matched to be in again in another room.
Inshallah.
Thanks.